Okay, now we're back and we're on number 12. We've done numbers 1 through 11. You should have those. If you haven't gone back yet, be sure you change the colors of the columns for labs 2, 3, and 4. I didn't do those. All right, now on number 12, it tells you to merge and center across the selection. Normally this section would already have it would have different columns, but I'd already merged them. But where you would go ahead and merge them is in format, and it says merge cells, and you would just merge them horizontally, but since they're already merged, we're going to leave them like they are, and now we just need to center it. So that merges and centers. Change the title size to 18. Unlike Microsoft Word or Google Docs, you don't have to select the actual text. You just need to be in that cell to change the size. So I'm already in the cell and I'm going to change it to size 18. Number 14 tells you to change the page setup as follows. Now, this is a little different in Sheets than it is in Excel, and that's okay. Here we're going to go to File, Page, or File Print. And in Excel, you go to File, Page Setup. You can get it there. Now, there are lots of different options over here, and we're just going to have to use a few of them, right? So for formatting, pardon me, it tells you for the alignment, we want the alignment to be center and center, because it says center horizontally and vertically. We're going to do that. It says change the footer margin to 1 inch. Those are going to be custom margins. So for right here where it says margins normal, we're going to say custom numbers and change this one to 1 inch, and that should just be 1 point. We just make a 1. That'll be 1.00. Insert a custom header. So we're going to change I think it's both the headers and the footers right here, headers, footers. I'm going to change it so that, let me see what it tells us to do. The custom header, the left section should be your name and the right section should be the word averages. So we're going to edit the custom fields here. So here you'll put your name. Is that right? Yes. And then you go all the way to the right side. I just tab to get to the right. And you're going to type the word averages. That's the name of this lab. And then for the custom footer, it tells you to press the tab twice to position insertion in the right section. We're just going to click in the right section. And it wants us to insert the date here. It wants us to insert the date. And there are options here. I think this one is the one. So insert the date. You just choose the date format that you like, and it'll put the date right there as well. All right. And then that's D. Yes. Then it tells you to print preview. So I'm going to confirm all those things that I've already done. I'm still in print and I'm previewing it. I can see that it's done everything that I wanted to do. And it tells you to save and print. And I do want you to print a copy of this. Since you are not doing this from school, I want you to print this and bring this to me. And then I also want you to upload it after you finish it. I want you to upload it back to Google Classroom. All right. So if you've done that, good job. We're finished with it. And hopefully you've done it. You've done it correctly. You maybe understood some of the things that you were doing. We're going to do another assignment like this together, just work through it together. And then I'm going to give you guys one to do by yourselves. All right? Super.